So on this penny lab, your goal is going to be to see if the surface tension of water can be affected by different things dissolved in water, so other substances. We talked about surface tension last time, how it's the inward pull of water molecules or any liquid molecules, and that water has a very strong pull, inward pull. And that's what happens when you drop water on top of a penny and it creates a dome. That is because of surface tension. And so our lab today deals with seeing if that surface tension is affected at all when you add different substances into the water. So if it were to be affected, then that dome would either be smaller or bigger when we're doing it. And so the way we're going to study that is we're going to find out the number of drops that get on the penny and measure that in several trials for both regular water, for salt water, for sugar water, and for tang water. So we have a few different substances we're going to try. Each person will have their own penny, but each table will have a liquid starting with water. In order to start this, we want to start with a hypothesis because we are investigating this question: can you affect the surface tension of water? So we're investigating this question right here. And so what I want you to do on your paper is write down here, I want you to write a hypothesis of what you think the answer to this question is. The answer to this question: can you affect the surface tension of water by dissolving different substances into it? So that's on your paper, and then just below here, where this circle is, go ahead and write a hypothesis. So remember, a hypothesis an if then because statement. So it should be something like, if I dissolve other substances into water, then say whatever result you believe it will be, and then because, and whatever reason you have for thinking what you do. So that should be right here. Everyone should be writing that. You can think about it for a minute, but everyone should be writing that. Then once we have the hypothesis, then we're going to just kind of jump into our lab and get the results. And at the end, we'll write a conclusion saying whether or not our hypothesis was correct. And if so, how was it correct? If not, how was it not correct? And so that's what we're going to work on today.